A risk is something that could go wrong. In a project, a risk is a problem that could stop the team from doing the task. It is for this reason that project risks should be foreseen beforehand, so time and resources are not wasted. What is risk assessment in project management? Risk analysis, or risk assessment, is where you search for possible risks before you begin the project. Why do we need to learn about project risks? Viewing project risks is extremely essential to finish a project successfully. That is why firms hire skilled project managers who understand how to manage risks. Here's why risks should be understood: it makes the project simpler to comprehend. Teams understand what tools, individuals, and procedures are required to maintain things running smoothly. It builds trust. Everyone on the team, managers and customers alike, is aware of what can go awry and can collaborate to prevent it. It enhances planning. Effective risk analysis assists in obtaining the appropriate budget and time needed to accomplish the task. Some critical risk factors of project management following are 5 of the most significant things that pose risks in a project. Each of these can be further subdivided into smaller forms. 1. Risk event. A risk event is something that can occur and alter the plan. It may be either good or bad. 2. Risk time frame. This means when the risk might happen. Short term, within 1 year; medium term, 1 to 3 years; greater than 3 years; long term. 3. Probability. This informs us how probable it is to occur. We can calculate it by taking into account how frequent it could occur and how significant it would be. 4. Impact. Impact is the amount of trouble the risk could cause. Risk management is an ordinary aspect of project work. 10 most frequent project risks and how to deal with them. 1. Scope creep. Risk. Scope creep occurs when additional tasks are added to a project without consideration of the available time or funds. 2. Cost risk. This risk occurs when project cost exceeds the budget. This can happen because of higher prices or because of additional work. 3. Communication risk. It is when the messages are unclear and one does not comprehend the other. 4. Lack of clarity. Unless there are plans or roles set, individuals will not be sure what to do. 5. Inefficient scheduling. Ineffective planning can result in delayed deadlines and subpar work. 6. Technology risk. Technology is constantly evolving. New technology or regulations may disrupt a project. 7. Operational risk. These issues occur due to system failure, error, or extrinsic occurrences. 8. Health and safety risk. This happens when there is a possibility that someone might get injured at work. 9. Skills resource risk. This threat arises when there are not enough qualified workers to perform the work. 10. Performance risk. This is when a team or project does less than expected. Conclusion. Project risk management is very important to complete work timely, within budget price, and with improved quality. With good planning and well-defined steps, you can minimize problems and keep the project on track. Risk management training through courses such as iCertGlobal can help you and your team become effective project managers and tackle any problem with confidence.